Hello and welcome to Fast Food Toy Reviews by Provolone Joe. Today we have another Super Mario Galaxy toy. I went to McDonald's again today, so we're going to crack it open and see what it is. Ah, very cool. It's Bowser Jr. He's pretty awesome. Little purple. I think he's Wonder Bowser Jr. So I found out from my last video that you can move these around, but I like it as a platform. You can spin him with it. See? He has a nice little mask on. A lot of detail on this toy. Cool little nighttime background going on. There's a look top down. From the side, you can see his little pink shell back there. And that's just the back of it. It's plain. And then the bottom, you can see his feet. No articulation of the actual character. Just you can rotate him on the little stand. So yeah, that's it. That's Baby Bowser Jr. Wonder Edition. And here's my Frog Luigi. So we got two cool toys. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.